Which method should we follow to learn spoken English? Tense is important. Voice is important. Modal verbs is important. And is there important? Causative verb. Which type of grammatical rules is there needed to learn spoken English? That type of questions every time comes into the beginner's mind. When I started my journey, this type of questions every time would come in my mind. Which easy tips I can follow to learn spoken English? Which path is very easy? They are to following these tips I can start my journey. So I would find many things everywhere, but to finding it I have got my easy trick. So this easy trick I will share with you. Which path have I followed? So everything I will share with you. I was zero level. I don't have minimum knowledge of spoken English. I don't have minimum grammatical knowledge. I don't have minimum vocabulary knowledge. Then I have started my journey. I have cracked my goal and I have reached my aiming destination. So if I can do it, I believe that you would do it in your life. So without introducing, let's go to the main point. Many people, many teachers, many guidance and many language experts, they say that without grammatical knowledge, without basic grammar knowledge, every person can learn any language in this world. But it is theirs matter. According to me, if you ask me it is right or wrong, I don't know. But that way I follow, I can share my experience. According to me, to learn spoken English, basic grammar knowledge is very important. Without basic grammar knowledge, you would not framing a single sentence in spoken English. Without basic vocabulary knowledge, you would not learn spoken English. It is simple and normal thing. According to me, if you ask me, every person, every guidance and so many renowned or famous person say that basic grammar knowledge is not important to learn spoken English. Without basic grammar knowledge, you can learn this. But I don't think it. In my journey, in my situation, according to me, without basic grammar knowledge, you will not start your spoken English journey. So, which grammatical rule you have to follow? First, 3 type of tense. You have to finish. You have to clear at first before start spoken English. It is present 4 type of present tense. It will be 4 type of past tense. It will be 4 type of future tense. But one thing, fourth number rules of every tense: future perfect continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, or past perfect continuous tense. It is not very much important, but when you will go to advanced level, when you will go to study in higher position, there this fourth number rule is important. And in the real life, the four type of things is not used very much, but three type of rules of every tense is much important. So it was tense, and next you have to finish voice. It can be passive voice, it can be active voice. Without voice change, you would not express your thought, you would not express your feeling in front of people. So voice change is very very important in spoken English journey. It is very simple and normal according to me, because passive and active, it is a normal thing. Direct and indirect action in this world, action when you will go to express your thought, there will be stay two action: direct action, indirect action. You do that work, it is direct action, but that action you are expressing your using by own word, it is indirect action. So they are passive voice you have to use. So without passive voice you will not learn spoken English. So it is very very important, voice change, passive and active voice. You have to clear it, you have to finish it, you have to practice it. So it was second point. And third rule is which is modal verbs. Yes, you have to clear all types of modal verbs. You have to learn use of all type of modal verbs. Without using of modal verb, you would not speak spoken English, you would not express your thought, you would not explain your feeling in front of camera, in front of people, and you would not speak anything without modal verbs. So modal verbs is very very easy. If you practice with full confidence, definitely you will do it, you may do it. Modal verbs is very very important. So according to me, without using of modal verb, you would not learn spoken English. And third was positive verb. If you want to be a good English speaker, you have to learn five types of positive verbs. Which is positive verbs, how to use positive verbs, how can I use positive verbs. So if you speak English language, at first you have to learn five types of positive verb. Without positive verb, you would not speak English. So positive verb is not hard. Positive verb is not a critical subject. Positive verb is very very important. They are is used very much very simple trick. They are action. You do that work. It is your action. When you will do one work by using other person, there is used positive verb. I want to give an example. There I am recording my video. So this action I am doing by myself, but when this work I will do using by other person, their causative verb is used. So this fourth very much important basic grammatical rules. Without these four rules, you will not learn spoken English, you would not speak English language. First was tense, second was voice change, passive and active voice. Third was modal verbs, use of all modal verbs. Without modal verbs, you would not speak English. And fourth was causative verbs. Without using of causative verbs, you would not learn spoken English. So it is my little bit experience. I was zero level. I have started when I was full blank in grammatical rules. I was full blank about vocabulary. So after I have finished these four type of grammatical rules, I have completed these rules. Then I have started my journey. So to doing huge practice, to doing huge practice in front of camera, and to spending huge my precious time, I have reached this. You can watch now how little bit spoken English I am delivering in front of you. So that's it. That what I would say every time. If this video is minimum valuable to you, if you get minimum motivation from me, like, comment and subscribe to get like more video. Do your valuable comment below the comment box. Which type of videos, which type of experience do you want from me? So definitely I will share with you. So stay good, stay healthy, stay with me, and see you in the next video.